Damn, Casey.
Hey YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich, man. I'm back with another vid. Hey, this is gonna be a nice little short video showcasing the lane keep assist in the 18 Durango, know what I'm saying? So right now it's off. I'm in regular cruise control right now. I'm about to put it in adaptive cruise control right now. Alright. Hold on. Alright, the adaptive cruise control is on. Alright, we're gonna set it 60, set it at 65, 64. Now you see it's on. Alright, like I said, adaptive cruise control is one of the best features I feel like on any car, period, man. So the lane keep assist, man, in the 18 Durango and up, it has electronic steering, so the vehicle will keep you in this lane. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm holding with my right hand. I still got my hand right now on the steering with the left hand. But I'm about to turn this on and you're gonna see. So this I'm about to turn this on. Still off. This is off right now. I'm about to turn it on. Alright, so you see it's lit down there at the bottom, the green. Alright. Still got my hand on the steering wheel. My right hand holding the camera. Like I said, my left hand still holding the steering wheel. We're gonna go around this corner first. No, ain't no corner coming up. So I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna put my hand, because the camera can't really zoom out. I'm already zoomed out to the fullest. So to show y'all that I'm not holding the steering wheel, you keep an eye on this indicator down here. Because when I come out this lane, it's gonna turn yellow. I'm gonna show you. My hand gonna be the steering wheel, but I'm gonna veer off. I'm gonna show you it's gonna turn yellow. That lets you know it's working. All right, veering off right now. All right, it's yellow. All right, that lets you know it's on. So you're gonna start it right now. Once you get on the straightaway, I'm gonna show you how the lane keep assist works, and it pulls you back in this lane. All right, here we go. We on the straightaway now. Lane keep assist is on, and now my hand is off the steering wheel. We're gonna put it up here. Keep an eye on the indicator down there, and watch the steering wheel. It's pulling me back. All right. Going to the left and it's pulling me back. Right now, again, my hand's still up here. My knees ain't touching to nothing, and it's pulling me back again. Now it's telling me, now it's a beeping noise. You hear that? Place hands on the steering wheel and everything shut off. The cruise control is still on, but the lane keep assist shut off. So that loud, and that wasn't really loud, honestly. You know what I mean? I feel like it should be louder than that if you want somebody to keep their hands on the steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? That was not loud at all, but I basically just showed you this truck just did it by itself. So when we go around this corner again, I'm gonna demonstrate it again, and it shut off by itself. I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna get around this corner. I'm gonna get around this corner right now. I just turned it off. So it's now lane keep assist is on. Lane assist. Like I said, when it turns yellow, that means it's activated, it's working, it's showing you. So, doing it again. I'm holding the steering wheel right now. I put my hand up on this pillar. right hand is holding the camera. My knees is down here, and it's on cruise control. You see that the green up here on adaptive cruise control. The green by the miles per hour, 64 miles per hour to the top left right there. So, all right. It's a car coming, so I really don't want to do it right now. Let this car pass right quick. All right, we back. This car took forever to pass us. Had to put it on pause. But yeah, all right, I'm about to start it right now. All right, I'm about to start it right now. I'm about to put my hand on the pillar, my right hand on the camera, my left hand on the pillar. It's about to start. All right, feel me veering off. It's pulling me back right now. You see it's blinking down there. Now it's green. I'm going to the right. It's pulling me back. All right. It's holding right now. It's holding right now. It's holding right now in this lane. See the yellow? That means it's working. And then I'm going to the right right now. It's going to pull me back again by itself. And it's going back to the left lane. And it's probably about to go off. It's keeping me in my lane. But if it keep doing that, it will shut off again. And I don't want it to shut off right now. So I'm about to grab the steering wheel. It's pulling me back right now. So, and this road is bumpy, so it's going back and forth by itself. But it's keeping me in my lane, man, by itself. Police coming up here, so. Police trying to pass. They're rolling. Yeah, man. The lane keep assist works. I only recommend this on the highway, man. I only recommend this on the highway, man. I only recommend this because right there, when I try to switch lanes, if it was trying to keep me in that lane right there, unless you put the turn signal on. It's the only time it'll free itself up. So if I want to get in this another lane right here, if I forcibly want to put myself in this lane, I don't want to do it yet. Hold on. This car made motherfucker. Yeah, wait for this car to come past first. Alright, this car is past the lack. It's like when you're paying attention. You had to get out the way when that police is coming. But yeah, lane keep assist, man. Lane assist. Now I'm about to get over to the left without using the blinker. So I'm trying to get over, but now the car trying to pull me back into the middle lane. It's forcing me back right now. You know what I'm saying? So, and you notice that the yellow down here when it was blinking. So if you need to rewind the video and show it, let you know it's working. So I only recommend it on the highway, man, honestly, man. So, and it does work. A very great feature, man, especially on long trips on the highway, man. And right now, I'm about to let go of my hand again. We're gonna ride. It's probably a smooth part right now. We're gonna see how it rides. Like I said, my right hand on the camera, left hand on this pillar. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Lane keeps us on. All right. Let it do everything by itself. Alright, now it didn't want to grab it back right there. Probably because of yellow line. We're gonna go to the right lane. We're gonna do it again. Like I said, and these lanes right now ain't painted real well, so set my cruise. Alright. Adaptive cruise set. Set. Alright. Everything on. Right hand holding the camera, left hand. See, I don't even want to do it right now because you can't even see the lines. And they slowing down right now, so right. We're gonna let it go though. Left hand on the pillar, right hand on the camera. Here we go. Start right now. Alright, it's keeping my lane right now by itself. And let me get over there. So it's not really detecting the lines right now, man. So because it's not as bright, but it works. Y'all see it. I'm out, man. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out, y'all.